Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what's the difference between a roof rat and a Norway rat? While most people think that rats are all the same, there are some noticeable differences between roof rats and Norway rats. You can tell the difference between roof rats and Norway rats by what they look like and their habits. And no, Norway rats did not get their name because they love to ski. Roof rats are usually smaller than Norway rats, about 8 to 10 inches long. They have darker fur, large ears, and pointed noses. Norway rats are bigger, usually about 16 inches long. They are plumper, have grayish-brown coats, have small ears and eyes, and a blunt nose. The easiest way to tell the two apart is to note where you're seeing them. Roof rats prefer elevated spaces, hence the name. They are commonly found in attics, drop ceilings, or trees. They can be seen at night traveling along power lines, tree limbs, or downspouts. Norway rats prefer to be close to the ground. They're also referred to as sewer rats because these are the rats that you're going to find near storm drains and sewer openings. They're great diggers and they usually live in burrows next to homes and gardens. They will typically make their way inside through ground level openings. That's why when it comes to rodent control and you don't know what you're dealing with, it's always best to treat up, down, and all around. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. You can tell the difference between roof rats and Norway rats, and no, Norway rats are not called. Norway rats prefer to be closer to the ground. I keep saying Norway. I keep not enunciating that. I keep saying Norway.